fix Windows 11 is automatically restarting issue. So if your Windows 11 computer is automatically restarting itself, there are many reasons why this could happen. First, we want to make sure we're running the latest version of Windows to say it's not a software issue. Open your settings app from the bottom left, go to Windows Update. Just check if you have any sort of updates available, and if you do, make sure to update it to the latest version. After you've done that, you also want to make sure to update your drivers and so on. Now, your Windows could also keep restarting itself when you have turned on automatic restart. And in order to fix that, you want to simply go ahead and then open up Control Panel. Once you open Control Panel, simply go to System and Security. From here, just go to System. From System, you'll take you to this settings page where you want to go to Advanced System Settings. From Advanced System Settings, you can see this option called System Properties. So let me close the rest of these things. In System Properties, under the Advanced tab, you can just Startup and Recovery. You want to go to Settings here. And here you can see an option that is automatically restart. You want to uncheck this and hit the OK button. So hopefully this should actually help you solve the problem you're having on your Windows. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.